Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Maths is Fun. Today my topic is probability. What is probability? Probability is chance of occurrence of an event. Chance of occurrence of an event. Now what is event? Today it will rain or not. This is a simple event. Now moving towards the formula of probability, which is possible outcomes upon total outcomes. Let's consider an example of a tossing of a coin. For tossing of coin we have hat or tail. Now what is the probability of getting hat? We have one hat and the two possibilities, hat and tail. So we get 0.5. Now what is the probability of tail? We have one tail and two outcomes, 0.5. 0.5 will add and become 1. So probability of any event will be from 0 to 1. Probability of event is greater than equals to 0 but less than equals to 1. 1 से ज़्यादा कोई भी probability किसी भी event की नहीं होगी. Now moving towards the tossing of two coins. Tossing of two coins. We need to draw a tree diagram. Now I will help you how to draw it. It's simple. Hat, tail, hat, tail, hat, tail. This is the tossing of first coin and this is for the second one. So we get the sample space. किस तरह बनाते हैं sample space? This is head. We can write it head. This is head tail. So we write it head tail. Then tail head. Then tail head. And tail. So there are 4 outcomes of this sample space. If it is asked probability बता दें कि 2 हेड कितनी बार आएंगे, you will say it will be 1/4 which is 0.25. 2 टेल कितनी बार आएंगे? So you can simply see 1 double tails 1/4 which is 0.25. हेड एंड टेल कितनी बार आया है? तो 2 बार हमारे पास रिपीट हुआ है. So probability of head tail और tail head is 2/4 which is 0.5. Now moving toward the tossing of 3 coins. So एक बार दोबारा सीख लें किस तरह बनता है ट्री डायग्राम. इट्स सो इजी. ट्री डायग्राम आ गया तो सैम्पल स्पेस बनाने में कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. This is hat, this is tail, this is hat, this is tail, this is hat, this is tail. Second हो गया. This is hat, this is tail, this is hat, this is tail, hat, tail and hat, tail. So sample space will be head, tail. Then head, tail, head. Then head, tail, tail. Head, tail. Head, tail, head, tail, tail. तो हमने ये पोर्शन कर लिया. नाउ इस पोर्शन पे आते हैं. tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, tail. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. सो 8 आउटकम्स. तो हम यहाँ पे एक चीज़ ये देख सकते हैं, दिस इज 2 पावर n. इफ़ वी आर टॉसिंग 1 कॉइन then n की वैल्यू 1, वी गेट 2 आउटकम्स. इफ़ वी पुट द वैल्यू 2, अगर 2 कॉइन टॉस कर रहे थे तो हमें पीछे में 4 मिले थे. एंड देन सिंपली इफ़ वी पुट 3, वी गेट 8. So in this formula 2 the power n, we can find the number of outcomes. In next class I will explain you the mutually exclusive and so many things, remaining things in probability. This was a simple concept of probability. Hope you like it. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.